Prices of public housing resale flats have hit an all-time high in the first quarter of this year. Private homes are also more expensive. Market watchers say that buyers are holding back on purchasing homes, which explains why fewer units changed hands last quarter. Lisha Rodney reports.
This unit at the Pinnacle at Duxton was put up for sale last October. 4 months later, property agent Aaron Wan sealed the deal. But these days, fewer homeowners are reaching out to Mr. Wan's team to sell their homes.
For the teammates that are in my team, I could see that definitely, especially for the new joiners, they are taking quite a big hit. They are taking longer time to convert their sales and also longer time to find clients who are interested and serious in selling their properties.
This scenario is reflected in the latest data released by the Housing and Development Board. The total number of public housing resale transactions dipped nearly 13% from the previous quarter. That's about 6,900 units transacted, lower than the nearly 8,000 units previously. It's the first time in nearly 2 years that sales volume dipped below 7,000 units. Analysts believe house hunters are attracted to the build-to-order projects launched in February, one of which is located in a prime area. Up to 12,100 BTO units are expected to be on sale in May and August.
The government will be ramping up supply, for example, in popular locations like Ang Mo Kio, Bukit Merah, Queenstown and Toa Payoh. We expect more demand to be diverted to the BTO market. And some buyers may still buy BTO flats despite some delays in completion, mainly because some of these BTO flats are located in very good locations, and they are also much more affordable than those resale flats in the mature estates.
Buying a resale HDB unit is more expensive now, but the price increase has slowed. Prices climbed 2.4% last quarter, lower than the 3.4% rise in the fourth quarter of last year. Analysts say there's price resistance, where buyers are reluctant to pay top dollar for resale flats. Similarly, prices for private homes also increased, but at a slower rate. It's up by 0.7% compared to 5% the previous quarter. Industry watchers say prices have tapered because there were fewer new condominium launches in Q1.
So that will have a so-called influence on how prices move, and the resale market tends to take preference from the new home market. So when there is say new projects for them to take preference to, so the price there may be staying at a similar level compared to the last quarter.
Fewer private properties were transacted last quarter. About 5,300 units were sold compared to the nearly 8,000 units the previous quarter. Market watchers believe investors are on the fence because of the recent cooling measures, such as the higher additional buyer's stamp duty.